Welcome again to some new Islamic art tutorials. I will be covering a lot of Islamic art patterns found in the city of Tripoli, Lebanon. It's actually my city. During the past year, I did a project of covering all the Islamic art patterns that I have in the city, and I documented them all. And this project was also covered by a lot of TV stations like the BBC, like Al-Yawm TV and Al-Arabi Al-Jadid, and a lot of other interviews. In this video, we will be doing an Islamic art pattern found in the pulpit or the minbar of the Grand Mansouri Mosque in Tripoli, Lebanon, which goes back to 1326. So let's start. Let's start by drawing a circle with a line passing by the center. This is the 100 for Islamic art, and then we're trying to create a line perpendicular to this line and passing, of course, by the center. So now to divide any circle into 12 folds, we need to do this technique which I explained in previous videos. You can just imitate it if this is your first time. And then we need to link these opposite points, passing, of course, by the center, so we can have a circle divided into 12 folds. And now we need to choose the pattern that we're working on, which is the square root of 3 rectangle, which is 1 by 1.732. And now, of course, we need to put a lot of references for us to continue this pattern. Of course, we need each center of a circle will be divided into also folds, because as you see, we have 5 circles, 1 in the center and 4 quarter circles surrounding it. And now to divide each angle into 2, we need to link these points of the circle, and of course make sure that we're linking the point of the circle and not on the rectangle. And I will be doing the same for the rest. So each angle will be divided into 2. We can obtain the folds of the center by linking the opposite points passing by the center. Now we need to create the geometry because we have all the references needed. And here in this pattern that we have in the minbar, the artist 700 years ago linked 2 points together. So you only need of each circle to just jump 2 points and link these points together. So try to do the same points that I'm doing, because we have 24 points, but actually we need to work with only 12. So you see this is 1, 2, 3. So we link this, we jump 2, and of course it will continue until the end. Don't forget to end these geometries here. I drew a small circle tangent to these two lines, and then a bigger circle in the center. Now I'm drawing these lines in the center. If you're a professional, you can stop here, but you can continue them. Now I'm continuing them because this video will be for all levels. and you see how I have two lines parallel to each other to the main grid in the center. And I will do the same for the rest of the pattern. So two lines parallel to the main grid system. So now I will be taking a reference so I can redo it to the other 4 quarter circles, and I don't need to do the entire process. So I just take a circle, I try to take a reference, and then I do these circles everywhere, and I only need now to link the lines together, so it's way easier and faster. So now I'm linking the points that I told you about. And make sure these points continue with the lines in the center. You see, they should be continued. So now with the black pen, I drew the lines that I need to keep. So try to follow me and see what are the lines that I'm really keeping and what I'm not really tracing. So you see how I'm leaving all these small spaces not traced. So I work now on the center and try to look closely. So I jump 3 points and I choose the point where I need to stop. So look, I cross 1, 2, 3 and stop there. And I need to do the same for the other. So look, 1, 2, 3. So try to do this for the rest and you will obtain a beautiful star. And now here you only need to link these points together and it's easy. We are about to finish. For any questions, don't hesitate to comment or to send me an email. You can have my email in the description of the video. And that's it. Now we need to erase the pencil lines so we can see the perfect geometry that we drew. So as you see, it's very easy to do, and it was found in the Grand Mansouri Mosque of Tripoli, Lebanon. Stay tuned for more videos.